Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Faris Hasif bin Muhammad Fazil, and today I will demonstrate my AR cable simulation application. So the objective of this AR app is to provide an interactive gamified platform for students to learn the T5C8B color-coded wiring standard for RJ45 connectors safely and efficiently. Alright, now firstly we open the application for CableAR. So as you can see, once the Fourier engine detects the physical target marker, the 3D asset instantly initializes in workspace coordinates. A 60-second time attack countdown timer begins immediately to challenge the user's speed and familiarity with the standard. So now we'll look at scenario 1, so a successful assembly. So I'm going to drag and drop the wires into the 8 available slots. So to achieve a valid T5C8B commercial standard, the alignment must follow this exact sequence from pin 1 to pin 8. So from white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and then lastly brown. Alright, so once all 8 slots are filled, the user interface activates a green button. Tapping this button locks the current wire layout and pauses the countdown timer. And finally, I click the test button to run the diagnostic engine. The system evaluates the sequence and displays a green validation message. Alright, next I will tap the reset button to clear the workspace. All wire items return to their starting pool, interaction inputs unlock, and the timer restart. Alright, now let's demonstrate for scenario 2, a faulty arrangement. This time I will intentionally swap the position of pin 1 and pin 2, that placing the orange first and white orange second. So this is creating a crosswire error. So then I will fill up the remaining slots, lock them by hitting cream, and then run the validation by pressing test. Alright, so the validation engine successfully catch the mistake. So this real-time feedback helps students to troubleshoot their mistake instantly. Alright, so lastly, let's examine scenario 3. So the time attack timeout. So the 60-second limit is crucial for assessing technical competency under pressure. So if a student hesitates or takes too long to recall the T5C8 color sequence, the timer will expire. Alright, so as the timer hits 0, the application immediately triggers a fallback event. So the system will display a fail message, and all the wire interactions are locked down to simulate a failed practical trial. So this will happen when user didn't fill any slot and then they click the green button. So in conclusion, this AI application bridges the gap between theoretical networking standards and practical hands-on engineering. So it ensures students can practice indefinitely without wasting real-world RJ45 connectors or UTP cables. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.